Welcome to Agentic English, where you take charge of your English journey. Fluency begins with small, consistent steps. Listen carefully, repeat with energy, and speak out loud. Own your voice. Use self-talk, shadow speakers, and focus on clarity. Day by day, you'll grow confident, and results will follow. This is your power, so stay committed, stay powerful. Before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon and share this with your friends who want to grow with you.
Hello friends, welcome to our video exploring our new home. Today, Irfan and Ilmi will walk through their new house. They will show you different rooms and daily items. And the best part, they will speak in easy English. You can learn new words and practice with them. Let's explore together. Let's start. Wow, Ilmi, look at this place. It's so peaceful. Yes, Irfan, the view is amazing. I love the fresh air. Let's go inside and explore our new home. This is the main door. It's made of wood. And this is the floor. It's clean and shiny. Look, the walls are white. Very simple and bright. There's a big window. We can see the mountains from here. Yes. And the ceiling has beautiful lights. This is a sofa. It's very soft. This small table is called a coffee table. I like this carpet. It feels warm. Look, the curtains are gray. They block the sunlight. And that's our TV. Let's watch a movie later. This is the kitchen. Here's the sink. We wash dishes here. This is a stove. We cook food on it. And that's the refrigerator. It keeps food cold. These are cabinets. We keep plates and cups inside. And this is a spoon. Very important. This is the bed. It looks so comfortable. Yes, and these are pillows. Soft and fluffy. The blanket is warm. Good for cold nights. Here is the closet. We keep clothes inside. And that's a bedside lamp. Nice for reading. This is the bathroom. Very clean. Here's the sink and mirror. We wash our face here. This is the toilet. And here's the shower. I love hot water. Irfan, I love our new home. Me too. It's cozy and peaceful. And we learned many English words today. Yes. Walls, floor, bed, sofa, kitchen, everything. Let's speak English every day. Great job, everyone. Today, we learned many new English words with Irfan and Ilmi. Now you know how to talk about a home, the rooms, the furniture, and household items. Remember, practice makes perfect. Watch again, repeat the words, and speak with confidence. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
To watch our next video, make sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, and leave a comment. In the next episode, we'll be shopping for household items. See you next time. Bye for now.